The name of the company is Jacoran Glass. We're a commercial and residential glass company. We do replacement glass. We do also commercial door repairs for those who need commercial work. If you have a broken window, we can replace just the glass. If you have some old windows, some old single pane, maybe steel case or aluminum windows that you'd like to replace, we can replace them with vinyl, aluminum, or wood-clad windows. We also do showers, frameless, and framed, the old-fashioned frame ones. We do 24-hour emergency service, and for the most part, that's getting someone out there to look at the situation, see what it is. Depending on how bad the damage is, we'll take out the old glass and board it up until we can get the tempered or insulated glass. Our philosophy is to obviously do a good job. If for some reason something is not right, just tell us, we'll take care of it. We won't leave the house until you're happy. If there is an issue, we'll come back and make sure that it's taken care of. That's just what we do.